Guys, I am so pumped, dude. This is I'm speechless, man. Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds, bro, thank you so much for shouting me out on your channel the other day when you're up at my job. I really appreciate that. Man, I'm so excited for the future. I appreciate everybody that's came over from his channel to mine to check out my videos. I really appreciate that. This is about to be a journey that I'm never gonna forget. This moment right here, I'm never gonna forget. This is the base of my channel. I wanted to be at 1,000 subscribers by December. We're at 500 right now. I've had my channel up for 1 month, and this is my third video that you're going to be seeing this on. It's a super short video. It's a clip that I had from the other day when I went fishing with my buddy Trey. I hope you guys enjoy it, man. Super short video. I apologize, but man, this just gave me so much more motivation to get out there and go record and post to get that content out there for you guys, man. I'm just so shook, man. I can't thank all you guys that came over and subscribed enough. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace. All right, caught a little guy. I don't even know why you would try to eat this thing. Hey, you chill out. Good deal. Little tine, little crappie. All right, dude, enjoy your life. That was crazy. He just hit this. He was almost the same size as this guy. All right. First fish of this long day. He was so little, I thought he came off.
I saw you snatch him out of the water. You went, damn, I lost him. And you went, wait, I got him.
Got one. Oh, it's a decent one too. Oh my God. Oh. What kind of fish is this? Jeez, I guess there's a bunch of crappie out here, dude. That's a decent sized crappie. Oh my God. Look at that, dude. Fat. Jeez. That's the biggest crappie I've caught ever.